Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contractor in QuickBooks Online. We'll start right from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look over to the left navigation. If your menu looks compressed into icons, you may see a small column with 6 dots. Click that to expand the menu so you can see the labels clearly. Having the full menu open makes the next steps much easier to follow. Next, go to the Expenses section on the left. If you're using a collapsed view, hover over Expenses to reveal its options, otherwise just click it to open the sub-menu. From there, choose Contractors. This takes you to your contractor management area where you'll keep track of people you pay who aren't on payroll. On the Contractors page, click Add a Contractor. This opens a form where you'll enter the basic details. Start with the contractor's name. Use the legal name you expect to appear on year-end forms. If they operate as a business, you can enter the business name. If they're an individual, enter their first and last name as shown on their tax documents. Consistency here helps avoid mismatches when you prepare 1099s. Next, enter the contractor's email address. QuickBooks can use this to send them a secure invite to complete their profile and provide tax details, such as a W-9, without you having to collect sensitive information directly. Double check that the email is accurate. A mistyped address means they won't receive the invite and you'll have to resend it later. When you're satisfied with the name and email, click Add Contractor to save. QuickBooks will add them to your contractors list immediately. If you chose to use email, they'll receive an invitation to fill in their information. If you prefer to manage that yourself, you can still collect details offline and update their profile later. After adding the contractor, you can open their profile anytime to edit contact information, add payment preferences, or review documents. As you record bills or expenses you pay to this contractor, be sure you're tagging them correctly so your 1099 totals are accurate at year end. If you don't see the contractors option in expenses, try expanding the menu fully or using the search bar for contractors, since layouts can vary slightly by region or subscription. That's it. You've successfully added a contractor in QuickBooks Online. With the contractor saved, you're ready to track payments, request information securely, and stay organized for your 1099 filings. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher while you're working.